These are the real sounds from the surface of Mars. In February 2021, Perseverance rover landed on Mars, and since then, it not only set thousands of high-quality photos, but also recorded 5 hours of audio with a couple of microphones on board. It is important to mention that high-pitched sounds on Mars are absorbed by carbon dioxide, which makes up the majority of the Martian atmosphere. So, this is how my voice would sound on Mars. And here are some recordings captured by the Perseverance rover. Perseverance also recorded an audio while driving on the rocky Martian terrain.